So, welcome to my insanity. So we just bought the coolest thing, and that is the MX12RX mini excavator. So, yeah, we're going to be doing a lot of videos on attachments we can find for this thing. It came with no attachments other than the bucket you see there. Got a little bucket on it. It's got a manual little claw that you have to move and get it in the place you want it. It does have some cool features, like up there on the seat right there, over there. It's got the handles on the seat. It's got the drive in the front right there. Cool. So we're gonna do a few videos on this, operations, how it works, what we think about it. Yeah, brand new, came with tools. So I got two questions people ask me. Are you insane? Well, question one, well, maybe, probably, but it's cool. Question two, what are you gonna do with that thing? Anything I want. It's an excavator. It's gonna be awesome. So we're gonna be giving you the pros and cons. This is just a, hey, look what I got kind of video. But yeah, that's the mini excavator, and let me show you around it a little bit, so you kind of see what I see. I'm not gonna explain too much, just kind of give you the quick overview. And yeah, that's my little baby mini excavator, and it's coming to you.
Looks like a crater and my pride kinda hurts. Shake it, mama, shake it real low. Make that money, honey, watch it grow. Told my wife it's for the garden. I hit the sprinkler, I hit the line. Now the neighbors all are watching, like it's demo derby time. Wiggle, wiggle, make it jiggle. Guy next door keeps leaning on the fence line. Says, you call that flat? That hill used to be mine. I just smile, wipe the sweat off my face. Give me one more day. Ow. Probably sell this thing on Marketplace. I'm a big man with a tiny excavator digging big plans that I really should do later. Every scoop I take makes the mess a little greater. I'm a big man with a tiny excavator. Booty popping, never stopping. Booty popping, keep it dropping. Tried to load it on the trailer, missed the ramp by half a mile. Dog is barking, kids are filming, guess I'll live on London style. Shake it, mama, shake it real low. Make that money, honey, watch it grow. I said, honey, I'm a pro now. As I stall it on the slope, low. She just folded up her arms. I said, you sure you don't need a rope? Bounce it up high, bring it down slow like a crazy earthquake. Wait, watch the show, wiggle, make it jiggle. Every beat, every sound, move your feet all around. I'm a big man with a tiny excavator digging big plans that I figure out someday. Booty popping, never stopping. Booty popping, keep it dropping. Sure, every scoop I take make the story.
So that's just a quick look around at the excavator. Like I said, just a quick video showing you what we got. Got delivered today, and man, am I excited. So I'm gonna try to figure out a place to put this in my shop. So I gotta clear out some stuff. I already told my lawnmower and had a good word with her, saying you have to live outside now because I got this. It cried a little bit, but I think it'll be okay. That's what I got. We'll see you next time.